Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about time scaling property. So here I write down an equation. If g of t equal g of x or g of f, okay, here g of t is compressed in time by a factor, okay, and g of f is represent the expanded in frequency by same factor, and I take a factor a for the same for those two functions, okay. So then multiply, and g of at equal 1 by a g of f by a. Clear? So for a positive real constant a, that's the positive real constant a, the equation will be f of g of at equal minus infinity to infinity range, and g of cos, that's the range will be minus infinity to infinity, okay. G of at exponential minus j 2 pi f of t dt, and after the simplified these equations, it will be like 1 by a minus infinity to infinity g of x e to the power minus j 2 pi f by a x dx equal 1 by a g of f by a, cos the value of this is g of f by a. Clear? So similarly it can be shown in if a is less than 0, then what will be done? G of at equal minus 1 by a g of f by a. So I discuss about the time scaling properties significance, okay. The function g of at, that's the g of at, represent the function g of t, okay, represent the function this g of t compressed in time by a factor. We use in this function the factor is this, okay, which is greater than 1, and similarly a function g of f by a represent the function f g of f, represent the function g of f, okay. So expanded in frequency by the same factor a, and the time scaling property states that time compression of a signal result in its spherical expression, and time expansion of the signal result in its spherical compression. So inductivity, compression in time by a factor means that the signal is varying more rapidly by the same factor, okay. So to synthesize such a signal, the frequencies of its sinusoidal components must same factor and increased by the factor. Like I use here the factor a, so increased by it with a. Clear? So next, implying that its frequency spectrum is compressed. For instance, the signal like cos 4 pi f naught t is the same as the signal cos 2 pi f naught t, okay, cos 2 pi f naught t, cos it's mainly same portion of the uh, graph, okay. So that's the time scaling property and time scaling property significance. So thank you everyone, and subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial.